Yo, in the heights, when music meets herbs, no need for words. Soothing vibration opens one body and mind, inflicting a healing sensation, positive and exciting. iVYBZ presents Kyanabis Kahna. Yeah, was brought to you by FAIM. You know the chips, you know the style. Freedom, artists in motion. Na 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 na.
You're tuned to iVYBztv. This is Tafari, and you have Najee. Yes, we have Jahmark here tonight. Jahmark and the Soulshakers, you know? And we have some nice good vibration to bring forth to the item. So, want to just tune in and make sure it's on the full joy of the vibe scene. But, you know, before we tune in, you don't know, so we have to drop it off with a little vibe. So, I get a little quick vibes before we touch the vibration. See? And I want to name Rasta Touchdown. Check it out, coming out soon, but you know, I get it exclusively tonight on iVYBZtv. You know the chaps, the style. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. Say Rasta, touchdown, fit you down the old damn party, setting up the sound, fit you down the old damn party, if you ready let me know, fit you down the old damn party, yo, it's time to start the show, fit you down the old damn party, say Rasta, touchdown, fit you down the old damn party, setting up the sound. If you tear down the whole damn party, if you ready, let me know. If you tear down the whole damn party, yo, it's time to start the show. If you tear down the whole damn party, step in with me backpack full of kaya. Walk past security, sight up jaja, bingy man a chance, same time me strike me fire. Like a fresh jar, me get from the farm. Him ask me where me getting no Mendocino. Ask me where me getting no upper California, got some of the strongest herbs in the town. So Rasta, touchdown, we tear down the old damn party, setting up the sound. We tear down the old damn party, if you ready, let me know. We tear down the old damn party, yo, it's time to start the show. We tear down the old damn party, and we out. Yeah.
No, sir. You must have, you not like Tafari, you have some nice liquor, you know, some nice liquor tune, some nice liquor, refreshing sounds, yeah, man.
Some nice local, some nice.
If you're a young youth, if you're a young youth, you look at young youth, you have some nice refreshing songs for people like my man can, you know, absorb.
Yes, well, I don't know the niceness. Right, Jahmark?
Definite.